We just got the Hotec system, and what version we got was the H-U25, which comes with 2 microphones and 2 receivers, or transmitters, and 1 receiver. The H-U05 comes with just 1 microphone and 1 receiver. So, to open it up, it comes with 2 of these Lavalier lapel microphones, 1 and number 2. It also comes with the transmitters, each connect separately to the microphones. And then also we have the headsets. It comes with 2 headsets, which also can connect to the transmitters. So it's really cool. 2 headsets, 2 lapel microphones, and then we have the receiver, and this is what you connect to the devices we'll be recording. And it comes with 2 cables to adapt the receiver. You plug that in, and then you plug this into your device. There's 2 cables that have a label on each one. This one says it's for TS to TRS cable for camera, DSLR, and desktop. And then there's another cable that looks very similar, but this is different. It says it's for the phone, tablet, or notebook. It also comes with a USB cable that splits and has 2 of the mini USB plug-ins, so you can charge 2 of these at the same time, because each of these devices has a USB port on the bottom that you plug that into to charge, because these all have rechargeable batteries. So both of the transmitters and the receiver have a battery that need to be charged. And so all you have to do is get a cell phone, and if you're using a cell phone, you should use the adapter for that, which is this one. For this version, has a gray tag on it. Plug it in. Plug into the headphone jack of your phone, and then they come automatically paired from the factory to each microphone. So you just hit the power button, and that turns on, showing power. Whenever the battery's low, it'll turn red. Also red when you charge it. It turns green whenever it's finished charging. And then there's a light in the middle of it that shows that it's connected to the transmitter. And when you have both of these on, which all you have to do is hit the power button, it shows the frequency, and then the left and right buttons are up and down volume. And if you have interference, you hit both buttons at the same time to change the frequency. So you turn that on, both of them. These are both on. And you can see now the middle button, if it picks it up, is green, showing both of them are connected. And then all you have to do, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, is to turn on the camera app and then record. And if you're wondering how the sound quality is, I'm using it right now. And so if you like the sound quality, great. If not, then maybe this isn't the one for you. And this is using the headset microphone. I'll show you what the lapel one sounds like too. And this video is with the lapel microphone, so if you like the sound of this, awesome. If not, then again, it may not be for you. And this is being recorded on an iPad, and just using the simple camera app, so you don't need any extra software to use this. Just plug it in, use the camera app on either iPhone or Android devices, and the wireless receiver or transmitter have a range of 100 feet or so, so this is good for a small house or a small apartment in terms of doing wireless video and audio. I'm now about 2 rooms away in the bedroom using the lapel microphone. As you can see, it has really good reception and sounds pretty good. Great value. And if you like this video, great. You can hit like if you want to, or not. We really don't care. You can subscribe or not. Don't care about that either.